Do you know a city that is quite near to you, but you always postpone visiting it because it's really near and you can do it anytime, but you kinda never do? This pretty much describes my relation with Munich, as it's always been a place with an airport or a bus connection for me. But finally the day came and we got to spend some time here. Hello, it's me, it's us. And we came to Munich because Adele came to Munich. So yes, it was the main reason, but still we have one day, like a half of a day, so I thought it would be nice to sightseeing, to visit some places, and there is this Nymphenburg place that is supposed to be pretty beautiful, so it's outskirts of the city. I think the ticket is around €8 per person. We'll see whether it's worth it or not. Nymphenburg Palace was a summer residence of the Bavarian royals. The complex includes beautiful gardens, lakes, and several smaller places and pavilions. The best thing is you can take a walk around the gardens absolutely for free, but if you wish to see the interior, you'll need to buy a ticket. It's actually worth doing as the place is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. The Great Hall is particularly impressive with its ceiling frescoes. Nymphenburg Palace is the birthplace of King Ludwig II of Bavaria, also known as the Mad King or Fairy Tale King. He is famous for his passion for building extravagant castles, including the iconic Neuschwanstein Castle. Another curiosity is the famous Gallery of Beauties, a collection of 36 portraits of women considered beautiful by King Ludwig I of Bavaria. As mentioned earlier, you can take a walk in the gardens at no cost. You just need to enter the palace and walk through it. There is also an additional building somewhere in the woods, but as far as we understood, you need to pay extra to visit it, or you can buy a combi ticket right away. What do you think?
Tree destroyers.
Mm. And of course Marienplatz, the city's most famous square. It was originally a marketplace where salt and grain were traded, as many other European central squares. The new town hall is a place where everyone is trying to make a photo, but it's not an easy task to do because it's pretty crowded. Hello,
Servus.
Servus. Are you impressed by Marienplatz?
No.
Nothing can impress him. Okay, so it's super crowded and something's happening there. Ah? Okay, something's happening. Their plan is to find something to eat. Probably not here. I don't know where. Not here. It's too crowded and too expensive, I suppose. And so, as you can see, it's pretty much okay. He's not impressed though. Yeah, nothing new. There are other cool places to visit if you're around the city center. We came across this cool shop with lots and lots of merch. It's called Elbenwald. And after that we went to the Lego shop. I always try to find them in different cities because they have those unique installations inspired by the city and also some special Lego sets. And that's pretty much it about our day in Munich. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.